Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong yalam kaseng BJP Meghalaya u Bernard Marak ulaong badena kadaw jong bakibriyo kun sala ban priang bat ay kajing kershan yu Conrad ke sangma ha ka election chiteng samoy bolaya kun na South Tura House nam arhajar khat pra. Ya kini kikentien u Bernard ulakren bat kilat pathai kubor menta kasing khandai terik ukalaling kot arhajar arpulai u Bernard ulaong ru ba u Conrad udan kajing syap Tieng yu na South Tura. Halor ke jingpli ka PA Sangma Stadium ka ba klempat pendap lut u Bernard ulaong bekibriyo ki basang Hagaro Hills kilalet ban ya thu halor ke jinglong jingman jong ka stadium bat kumta na kaliang jong lalet ban jurap ya ka stadium bat yu ki bim ki bakdor u Bernard lay thu ru ba menteri khana ka sarkar pedeng badai pet ya ka tanat minority affairs u klemlet jingo tang ka stadium henai lalet ban pet lut ki projects ki bala beting ka sarkar pedeng Bat ulas ngau diaw ban yu babun ki project bala bay pisana ka sarkar pedeng ki klempat sedang bat bun ru na ki project ki bala dap ka kerteng jong Narendra Modi ka klemdan ha ki maunong rim.
Without any doubt. In fact, he won with our support. He was not winning 2018 election till I came into the picture. He could not even reply the opposition's allegation on work permit for Bangladeshis and the reservation policy. I made a video and uploaded in my YouTube, and then only people started accepting him. Otherwise, he was not winning that time. And that is the very reason why CM is very, apprehensive about my presence in South Tura. Why is he scared of naming me? I was there. I was the one who has raised this issue. We are not blind to see a half-finished project which is being inaugurated. It is not only me. I was also informed by my own people, the citizens of Garo Hills, who were actually concerned about this stadium. They have seen that it is half constructed. How can it be inaugurated? Because of their complaint only, I went to see and I saw the beams bending before the inauguration. And John Balaji has come himself, he himself has come and inspected the whole stadium. So who am I to instigate him? He has seen it with his own eyes. In fact, he's inspected all the projects which has been funded by him, right from Tura, Selsala, Pulbari to Babadam area. Like all the projects, he went physically to 7 projects. He went physically to check it. And in that Huna Skill Development Center near Babadam, it has not even started. It has 7 projects in it. And people were not aware. Why did the Honorable Chief Minister has actually kept it away from the purview of the public, and they have renamed it into PA Sama Skill Development Project without the knowledge of the center. Why would the center leaders not be disappointed when our own Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name is not coming into any of these foundation stones? It is all funded by the center. Even in the PA Sama Stadium or be it and Huna, nothing about the center, nothing about the Modi ji, nothing about the minority affairs which have actually funded the fund. So this is the thing, and it's not about instigating. It is about the fact finding. So the team, minister after minister, is coming to the state to check whether the fund given by the center has been properly implemented or not. Even today, Sir Rupalaji is coming. He is a Minister of Fisheries and Veterinary and Animal Husbandry. See, we have a major project here like National Livelihood Mission and the fishery. Like the self-help groups have not got the fund. Their names have been taken, but the fund has not been accredited to their accounts. So we are not complaining. We are just bringing out the facts that these people have applied for schemes and they have not got it. So it is not actually instigating. It is just bringing out the facts.